The Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is a revolutionary device that combines precise air quality monitoring with the convenience of voice assistant integration, making it easier than ever to manage your home's air quality. High-precision monitoring. With advanced sensors, it accurately detects PM2.5, VOx, CO2 levels, and other pollutants, providing real-time data to keep you informed about the air you breathe. Instant alerts for immediate action. Through Wi-Fi connectivity, the monitor sends real-time alerts to your smartphone or voice assistant, enabling you to take immediate action to improve your home's air quality. Smart home integration. It seamlessly integrates with your smart home ecosystem, enabling automated adjustments to air purifiers, ventilation systems, and thermostats based on its readings, ensuring a consistently healthy environment. User-friendly app. The companion app offers a simple interface for monitoring air quality, setting alerts, and controlling connected devices, making it easy to manage your home's air quality. Easy setup and maintenance. Designed for convenience, the monitor is easy to set up with Wi-Fi and integrates seamlessly with existing smart home devices. The app guides you through any maintenance, ensuring hassle-free operation. A smart investment for a healthier home. The Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is a smart choice for anyone looking to effortlessly maintain a clean and healthy living environment. It simplifies air quality management, making it accessible and convenient. For those interested in learning more about how this smart monitor can benefit your home, please don't hesitate to contact me. Visit my page and send an email using the provided address. I'll respond within 24 hours with comprehensive information. Let's ensure every breath you take is a healthy one.